Installed this radio in the car. This is main unit and microphone works pretty good. Antenna Optim. Currently I'm using this short antenna around 62 centimeters, but that's really good antenna because I can go in and go out my garage without any adjustments of this antenna. This is parameters for antenna, 27 MHz. For adjusting this antenna, just rotate this bolt. The radio came in this box, Optim Travel. All instructions and on the box information in Russian language. Inside the box you can find the user manual in Russian language too. The microphone with the screen. On top of the microphone you can find two buttons, channel switch and fast access to channel 15, functionality buttons, G45 connector, additional stuff, main unit, plastic box with additional speaker, antenna port, external connector 3.5 millimeters for external speaker, voltage DC from 12 to 24 volts. Let's see what inside the radio. The speaker 8 ohms, 3 watts. Filters. Let's check the menu of the radio. Long press F button, language, display contrast, brightness, color. We can change color of the screen. Key tone, frequency display, noise blanker, high cut filter, takes power low, high, timeout timer, Roger beep, power on, auto, off, on. Let's select auto, speaker, bass and mic. Only bass, only microphone speaker from the microphone. Let's select both. Factory reset. And that's all menu of the radio. Exit. Changing the channels. Two buttons on top of the microphone. On top of the microphone you can fast access to the channel number 15. If you long press this button, you change the frequency, Europe or Poland. AM/FM modulation, this button, ISQ, squelch, and mute. Let's measure the maximum transmission power. Maximum transmission power around 7.6 watts and 1.5 amps. And with the amplitude modulation, audio around 8 watts. Let's test the microphone. Testing, audio. Testing, audio. It works pretty good. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It works pretty good. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.